Hi, this is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today I'm jumping into the ytinfluencer. This is a review of ytinfluencer and my bonuses for ytinfluencer. Now, I just want to let you know that I have been doing this for about 10 years, what he describes here in ytinfluencer. I have not put it inside my course because it is very in-depth on what you need to do. So being able to jump into this ytinfluencer gives me a great opportunity to be able to share this information with you without having to take the time to be able to detail it like he does here in this course. First of all, let's jump into the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you decide to pick this up. So if you get ytinfluencer through me, through the link in the description, then first I got a whole bunch of bonuses that nobody else is going to give you. So any bonuses that the vendor has, you're going to get, of course. Plus, I'm going to give you my VidRank Cash 7X course for 50 cents. So it's $17.50. If you decide that you get this through me, you will be able to get my course. I will give you a coupon so you can get it for 50 cents. And this shows you how to 7x your rankings with 7x the speed on YouTube and be able to get better rankings every single day when you are trying to rank videos on YouTube. Also, I'm going to go ahead and give you 2 private trainings that I created. One on how to quickly create shorts with Canva and how to quickly create shorts on Pictory. So these are private trainings that have not been released on my YouTube channel. I will give you these 2 private trainings for free. Plus, I'm going to go ahead and give you access to a $1,000 course for free, where this one here is by Philip Johansson. And I'm going to go ahead and give you this course for free that is filled with 17 modules on how to be able to use videos and shorts to be able to make high ticket affiliate commissions and drive unlimited organic traffic to any offer that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and give you access to this for free as well. So like I said, you will be able to get my YouTube 7X ranking course for 50 cents. You will be able to get my private training on creating Canva shorts quickly, creating Pictory shorts quickly, as well as the free $1,000 course. Plus, I will also give you 30 days free access to my YouTube ranking extension, PCS Tube Growth. Now let's go ahead and jump behind the scenes and see what's going on. Inside of the front end, like I said, this is chock full of great information. So right here, this is the front end of the YouTube influencer course. And you see here, it's got tons and tons of training that is actually very informative. And it is actually up there with some of the other courses that are out there. It's got some really good information. And basically what it does is it shows you how to use YouTube to do review videos to be able to get free products, as well as be able to make your self-monetization and YouTube monetization. Now, like I said, I've been doing this for the last 12 years. I've gotten hundreds of thousands of dollars of free stuff. I've gotten mattresses and massagers and waxers and whole bed sets, all kinds of stuff. And I've gotten free trips. I've gotten all kinds of stuff doing reviews on YouTube. And this is really good information inside this course. So if you have ever wanted to do reviews, get free products, and self-monetize so that you can make money while doing everything else in your life, this is great information. If you like free stuff, comment "I love free stuff" down below. Right here, it has all of the basics on how to be able to do review videos, join affiliate networks, be able to get free products and have people come up to you and approach you to be able to get the chance for you to be able to review their products and give it to you for free. So great information here. Now, if you decide that you want to do any of the OTOs is under the more training. So they have the agency YouTube course. They have expert ranking training, launch jacking training, 400K case study, and the VIP Facebook. Now, all of the OTOs have really good information in here. And like I said, for the price, like I said, it pretty much replaces a lot of courses that are out there. But what I wanted to let you know, they have the advanced ranking training. And this pretty much gives you a huge discount. If you had used his other product, YT Marketer, or had been looking at it, it's a $1,000 program. You can get a lot of the information in the advanced ranking training here for a fraction of the cost that he has in YT Marketer. Now, this one here does not talk about monetizing for AdSense, but this does show a lot of the ranking stuff that you can get inside YT Marketer. And for the advanced ranking training, this is a huge discount on that other information in the other course. So this is definitely something good to look at as well. Like I said, the information here inside of ytinfluencer is pretty in-depth. It does show some stuff, like I said, that I've been doing for 10 years, but haven't had time to be able to put it in my own YouTube ranking masterclass. So for the price that he is offering this is definitely a no-brainer. I have been learning from Chris Derringerbert for years and years. I've been making YouTube videos for the last 12 years. I've been ranking videos for the last 10. But I'll tell you what, Chris Derringerbert over the last 5 or 6 years has really been able to teach me some great strategies, and I always love to pick up any kind of nugget that he drops and what he's doing or what he's testing. He is definitely one of the biggest in the game, and I love learning from Chris. This option and offer is a great opportunity. And like I said, if you decide to get this through me, I will give you my VidRank Cash course. Instead of $17.50, you'll get it for 50 cents. You will also get my 2 how to create short content with Canva and with Pictory private trainings, and you will also be able to get 30 days access to my PCS Tube Growth YouTube ranking extension, and you will also get the free $1,000 course on how to drive unlimited traffic with short form content. You're going to get that course for free as well. So make sure that you click that link below. Make sure your cookies are clear before you purchase. Click the link below, and once you are done, submit your receipt for your bonuses, and I cannot wait to see your review videos where you're getting free products and getting paid to get free products as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.